Hi. I'm gonna do what I have named the tea kettle read. The idea of the tea kettle read is that it's about 10 minutes ish. It's a building story of me shuffling a deck and flipping the two cards, or breaking the deck, splitting the deck, and showing those cards. And building a story and conjuring a message from that. Let's get started. First up, I'll be using Fountain Tarot. First up from the Fountain Tarot is a page of coins, and a 4 of coins energy. This could be a page of coins emerging out of a held back or period of isolation, emerging out with a new idea, a new offer for work, a seed to plant that would grow towards something. This could be something in work. This could be something in relationships. It can be anything that would, with the coins, grow and resonate within the 3D realm. Okay? I think this is what was happening inside that tent, the fountain. In the fountain is the reminder that we are infinite souls having a temporary human experience. This is a period of time in which perhaps this young, fresh energy in their period of isolation, in their period of blocking themselves off from the outside world, attuned with themselves, realigned themselves, and were able to emerge enthusiastically with this new start. Just heard the word inspiration. There you go. Inspiration with the Hanged Man. That is also known as enlightenment. Enlightenment, and I believe that this 6 of Swords is to be leaving the past behind you, leaving one circumstance to sail off onto a new one. The swords to me indicate, say, a set of thoughts, a set of beliefs, or a set of this is mental energy with the swords. And that could also indicate an opportunity taking you into a new direction. But that was after a period of isolation, meditating. I see this basically somebody's emerged from that tent refreshed, enthusiastic, enlightened, optimistic. That's great. What do we got? Well, here's where it gets tricky. I'm going to continue to read this as one individual. Sometimes I just got that feeling. Right here's the Queen of Wands. Okay, Aries energy. And an 8 of Swords. I see this as the same person. The feeling that I literally just got right here, right in my solar, okay, is the feeling from that Six of Swords, the excitement of launching off onto a new path, the excitement of emerging out onto a new voyage, but then that feeling that creeps in after the boat has far since left the dock and you're on the water and you can't get off the boat. Well, it's balance. It's part of what you signed up for, to take that new path and to get on that boat. I'm not saying it's punishment. I'm saying it's part of the dues. And you taking confident, caring, and nurturing, that's part of this energy. She's charismatic, but she's also very nurturing and loyal. Well, I don't know if loyal is part of her words, but caring and compassionate is. This is fire energy. Loving. To love yourself through those moments. And to remember, why did you get on that boat? There is a reason you got on that boat. See it through. Where's that boat headed? Hey, where's this boat going anyways? The Hierophant and the High Priestess. Boom. Where's that boat going anyways? I'm not entirely sure, but I know that it was the right thing to do. I'm not exactly sure, but I know in the depths of my soul and for the best that I know myself and by the guidance of spirit and moral integrity, that it was what I was supposed to do. I had been enlightened. The Hanged Man. I was enlightened. Also, talking about going on a long, deep journey, okay? That's the High Priestess's story. That's her story. She goes underground into the underworld for half the year and comes out after. That was like the worst recap of that ever, but I'm like watching the time also, so bear with me. Look up the story of Persephone, and that's who the energy of the High Priestess is based after. Persephone and Hades. It's quite beautiful. Here's the thing. I'm going to look at this as well, I don't know, but it was the new start that I needed. I don't know where I'm headed, but I know I need new, and I need to take this new cycle in life. This is just life, okay? Ace of Pentacles with the Seven of Cups. Should I take one more? Have I gotten serious enough for you? King of Wands. Hey! To go with that Queen of Wands. I'm not saying it's another person. I'm saying it's the balancing of the masculine and feminine energy and following your intuition and your passion. Okay? Okay. Align the initiating and the stabilizing. That's the king and the queen. Align the initiating with the stabilizing in following your passions, your intuition, and creativity, expression, and I would even go so far as to say sexual expression, being with the wands, but also confidence. So confidence is also an essence of sexual expression. They can be very linked with one another. And also, in my eyes, sexual energy is creative energy. Right? Whatever. Right. Okay. That's it for me. Hope you enjoyed that. Good night.